Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Philippian, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my experience at the Lekki Conservational Center. Finally, we are on our way now to the Lekki Conservational Center, and everybody's excited. We are all excited because we've been looking forward to going to the Lekki Conservational Center. So when you get to the center, you're going to buy your tickets. That's your entry fee. You're going to pay for your entry fee, and you're going to, if you're going for the canopy walk too, you're going to pay for the canopy walk. You're going to pay extra for that because without the payment, you can't go on the canopy walk. Tada! The adventure has just begun. So this is the beginning of the nature walk. So this is Lekki Conservational Center, and it's located in Lagos, Nigeria. And I think personally, I consider this place the most adventurous place in Lagos, Nigeria. It's a must-visit place for tourists. It has a 401-meter long canopy walkway, which is referred to as the longest in Africa. And this place is beautiful. See nature. See the beauty of this place and everything. So the experience here differs from person to person. Some want to go on the canopy walk and some don't want to go on the canopy walk. But for me, I think there are lots of things for everybody to do. They have other games there for if you can't go for the canopy walk, you can play other games. The only time visitors and tourists are not allowed access to the bridge is when it is raining. And also, pregnant women and children are not allowed on the bridge. So apart from that, this place is just fun. It's beautiful. So you're going to enjoy yourself till you get tired. So just I think this place is a place for anybody. I recommend this place for anybody to visit. So while I was filming, this lady here was just busy disturbing me. She's taking me as her personal photographer. I don't even understand. No respect. Anyway, let me do my job well.
It's food they are looking for.
Okay, so that's why they come out.
Yes.
So the canopy walk is about to start and we are ready. So see you on the other side.
Look up. Come on, baby girl. Look up, look up. You can do it, okay?
Finally, I'm out of the danger zone. Please, if you have any health issue like maybe BP or anything, please don't try to go on the canopy walk. If you are scared of heights, don't try it. Because for me, the canopy walk was a blend of excitement and anxiety. So for me, and I'm not going to try it again. No. I will not try it. Don't worry. So this is the place where food is being sold. The place they have seats for people to sit down, and this is suya. They sell suya, fish, roasted plantain, rice, popcorn, drinks, coconut water, and everything is being sold here. So the suya looks yummy, the fish looks yummy, and it tastes nice. It tastes really nice. So we got the fish and the suya. So this is the family park and it's beautiful and very spacious. The environment is very neat, it's clean. There's a lot of space for different outdoor activities. You can go for picnic, space for picnic. There are different floor games like the chess, the Ludo game, and anything. Even if you want to play football here, you can even play football if possible. See the beauty of nature. Everywhere is green. The hut is there. They have the 8-seater hut and the 6-seater hut for family or for anything. Maybe get together or something. I don't know. So this place is really nice. It's really beautiful. Everywhere is neat. So I think I can boldly recommend this place for somebody. Maybe for family get together, you and your friends, for lovers, and that's the pond. They have tilapia fish in the pond, and they have plenty monkeys here too. They have plenty monkeys. So me, I was scared. I could not film any monkey at all.
No, you go be.
So you deny me now, Abi? Why will you not wait for me?
My friend here, you go wrong.
Basically, since morning, okay, since afternoon, I've been in the jungle. This is me, and that's my sister. So, we've been here since morning. Yes, 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 yes. Hi. Hi, 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 hi. So at this point, I was already tired and I was already dreaming of going home. So we have come to the end of uh, the adventure today. But for me, honestly, I think this place need more tour guides, and there are so many information that could be given to tourists, like facts about rainforest, plants, animals, insects. There should be more on the canopy walk, more guides on the canopy walk. Everybody should leave this place, feeling that they have just learnt or been educated about rainforest. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, and see you in my next video.